I am Ankita Prajapati from Kendriya Vidyalaya Moreno. Today I am here to represent Madhubani painting. Madhubani painting is one of the many famous Indian art forms as it is practiced in Mithila region of Bihar and Nepal. It is called Mithila or Madhubani art, often characterized by complex geometrical patterns. These paintings are known for representing ritual content for particular occasions, including festivals, religious rituals, etc. The colors used in Madhubani paintings are usually derived from plants and other natural sources. These colors are often bright and pigments like black and oak are used to create black and brown respectively. Instead of contemporary brushes, objects like twins, matchsticks and even fingers are used to create the painting. Madhubani paintings originated in the Mithila region of Bihar. Some of the initial references to the Madhubani painting can be found in Hindu epic Ramayana, when King Janak, Sita's father, asked his painters to create Madhubani paintings for his daughter's wedding. The knowledge was passed down from generation to generation, and the paintings began to adorn the houses of the region. The women of the village practiced this painting on the walls of their respective homes. Their paintings often illustrated their thoughts, hopes, and dreams. Over time, Madhubani paintings became a part of festivities and special events like weddings. Slowly, this art attracted connoisseurs of art as many contemporary Indian artists took the art on global stage. The traditional ways of Madhubani paintings were initially practiced by different sects of people, and hence the paintings were categorized into 5 different styles such as Tantric, Khobar, Bharni, Godana and Kachni. But today, these 5 different styles have been merged by contemporary artists. The themes used in these paintings often revolve around Hindu deities like Krishna, Rama, Shiva, Durga and Saraswati. Also, heavenly bodies like the sun and the moon, often form the centerpiece of Madhubani paintings. These paintings are also known for their simplicity, for the brushes and colors used are often derived from natural sources, while the paintings are largely made using powdered rice. Colors derived from turmeric, pollen, pigments, indigo, various flowers, sandalwood and leaves of various plants and trees, etc. Also, many natural sources are combined and are processed to obtain these desired colors. The colors are often prepared by the artist themselves. If the artist comes across empty spaces even after completing the painting, we usually fill up those empty spaces with the motifs of flowers, animals, birds and geometrical patterns. A double line is usually drawn as the border. The amazing art form is still kept alive because of the efforts of many artists who continue to practice Madhubani art. Many notable Madhubani artists have received national and international recognition. Some of them are Sita Devi, Ganga Devi, Mahasundari Devi, Jagdamba Devi and Bharti Dayal.